guys, welcome back to my channel. If you I have a new subscription box here. If you want to see what this is all about, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so as you can see, we have a new subscription box. Well, at least new on this channel. And I did see this unboxed many times on SheCrafty. Okay, and after a while, I just decided, like, I did some, like, investigating on my own, not as far as the box is concerned, but, like, my habits and what I do, and would this save me money? And after, like, a month of really, like, you know, working it out, absolutely. And that's just me. Now, I can only imagine if the little ones were in play. You know what I mean? The kids, when they come home from school or whatever, you know, they're always hungry right to the fridge, right? Well, this will solve all your problems. It's just an all around good box. Wow. Anyway, I'm sick and y'all know that. But I actually was out today. I had my counseling and I had to go to, and it was quite an ordeal. But I feel better, so here we are, and I'm probably going to be in, like, rare form. But anyway, so yes, we have VarietyFun. This is a snack subscription box. I was able to get this box for, well, first of all, it's $24.99. Now, I don't have a code, but I will tell you, if you're interested in this box, you need to go to, I would suggest that you go over to SheCrafty because she does have a code. So watch her unboxing and then go ahead, you know, give her a thumbs up or whatever, and then you can use her code to save money because I'm considered like just a, you know, a person who subscribes to the subscription. So I do not have a code. There's that. But anyway, I wish and I hope I do get one because I really do like the subscription, guys. But anyway, very quickly we're going to get into it. I did open it to try and save time. I have not touched anything in here because one of the things she says, and when I say she, I mean SheCrafty, once you get it out, you can't get it back in. And I can so see, like, what she's talking about. But anyway, you know, if you watch the video, you'll see. So, all right. So, again, this is $24.99. First box, I got 30% off. I paid $17.49 for this. It brings 40 snacks. Averaging it out, this box, I think it's 44 cents a snack. Guys, I pay more than that in a grocery store. Like, it's like $1 at least, you know what I mean? Every now and then you might get like 50 cents, two for $1. But when you pay the $24.99, it's only 62 cents. So any way you look at it, you're saving money. And I'll tell you why I like it so much. But anyway, here we go. You open it up, and it says, and this is the box. Like, this is everything. It says, taste, explore, and enjoy. And then it has all its social media sites. So, like, I'll probably take a picture and, you know, post it on one of them. Anyway, so it does bring 40 snacks. Now, I, unfortunately, do not have the information here. I believe that, like, I know for a fact that they do have different kinds of snack boxes. For instance, this is the classic. Oh no, please don't start skipping. My phone is acting up. Oh my gosh, I'm doing this on my phone, which is probably a really bad idea. Anyway, yes, $24.99, okay. And it brings 40 snacks. This is the classic box. Now, by the classic box, like, they have different boxes. So you can have, and you can also have this delivered twice a month. 40 snacks for me is fine. But if you have kids, you know, if you just look at it in, like, saving money wise, it like totally pays for itself, I think, anyway. Okay, in my opinion. All right, so let me just show you some of the snacks that come. And the thing I like about this is it's not all, like, new weird stuff. You know what I mean? Like I'm all down for trying new things, but I don't want a box load of it or a boatload sent to me. You know, how do I know I like it? You know what I mean? But anyway, so, all right. So the first, I'm just going to quickly hold everything up to the camera, try and set it over here, and then I'll stick it back in the box and snap a picture and put it on my Instagram. Anyway, okay. So we have, and I'll leave a link to this down below. But like I said, she has a code. If you check her code out and you put it in your subscription, you know, when you're checking out, you'll save 30%. Guys, 30%. That's like, what is it? Like $7 and something cents off the subscription. So like I said, I got it for $17.49. All right, so we have Lay's potato chips. Like, who doesn't like Lay's potato chips? What is it? What's the saying? Can't eat just one. Now and then we have let me see how many of these. I don't see. Okay, so we have the Knorr's Berry Farms. I'm sorry, Knott's. I like these. I've actually bought these in the store, which brings me to the next reason that I like the subscription box. Because I have low blood sugar, okay? What else is wrong? I mean, I have so many things wrong with me, it's ridiculous. But, okay, and then there's the Lay Barbecue. Love those, okay. And then we have the original Ruffles, which, they're cool. I'll take them. And then my favorite, Doritos, okay. Then we have and these are really good. I've tried these before, and I actually like these. These are the Sun Chips and in the flavor Garden Salsa. I really, really like them. Actually, Subway has these. So when you're like getting your meal, you get like sometimes you can buy a combo. You get one of these. But guys, like listen, seriously, I paid for these $1.69, like at the lowest I ever found them. And here's what I'm trying to say. Since I have low blood sugar, I have to always make sure I have something on hand, like in my purse, in my car, and I always forget. So what do? I dip into the gas station, and I end up paying like $2. You know what I mean? For something that's really not worth. I mean, to me, it's worth it because I need it. But if you can save money on it, why not? And as long as I have this box like up on my fridge, every morning I do remember to bring water. So if that box is sitting right there, and your girl's always late, so I never have time to eat. So. You know, I don't always have time to put stuff in my purse. But if it's sitting there with right by the water, I will definitely grab a bag, throw it in there, or just keep a bag in my car. You know what I mean? So it just, for me, it's very handy, and it helps me. I know I don't have to worry. Oh my gosh, because when my sugar drops, sometimes I have to pull over. Like, it's bad. So anyway, all right. So, and I love these. These are my favorite. I have a lot of favorites. Okay, so I'm sure they're gonna be in here. All right. So then Goldfish, which is that's a color. Oh, and look, they're colors. Oh, they have colors. That's so cute. Okay, I've never seen those before. All right, but I do like the fishies. Oh my gosh, everything's rolling. Okay. Then we have Abby cookies, which I've seen these, but I've never tried them. And somebody said these were really good. I was reading the comments on her video, and people were commenting about the snacks, and that's one of that they mentioned was really good. Okay, so then we have the Elfin Original Crackers. They look like this. Okay. Oh, look at all the little Keebler elf. Okay. And then, now this one I've never heard of, but it sounds, I like, I like this. I'm going to like it. I don't even have to try it. Pirate's Booty, aged white cheddar popcorn. Yeah. So I love cheddar cheese popcorn. That's my favorite. I have a lot of favorites. Like I said, I don't know. Anyway, Scooby-Doo baked graham cracker sticks. Oh, they look like little dog bones. That's so cute. Look right here. That's cute. Okay, so there's that. There is no way I'll get it back in here. Oh my gosh. She is right. Oh, okay, so we have this. This is the fudge fruit. What is my problem? I'm in rare form, guys. I think I'm hyped up from being outside. And my makeup, it's very windy here today. And I did do my makeup, I promise. But from being outside and my eyes tearing, I just kept wiping and it's gone. Anyway, Fudge Stripes Minis Originals. They look like they're good. I think I had these in the big thing that cost like $5, $7, something like that. Anyway, Keebler bite-sized cookies. Oh, M&M minis. Look at those. Like, okay, they're cool. I've never tried the minis like these, and the big ones even, but this is cool. So this is another way to try and see if you like something without committing to like buying a whole box or a big bag of it or whatever. But yeah, I'm down with this subscription. I'm going to keep this one. Okay, so chocolate chip. Oh, hold on. Pure Sweetness Baking Company. Chocolate chip mini cookies. Okay, I couldn't read that. Right there in the top it says, I don't have my glasses, so that's there. Oh, and then we do have, okay, so I know this brand, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it. We have 2 packs of Grandma's. This one's chocolate brownie, and this one is chocolate chip. Oh, my gosh. These are good, guys. Wow, I like those. Okay, and some more oh, and then there's Scrabble Cheez-Its. Oh, look at that. That's cute. Like, these are so good for the kids. Just when they come barging through that door after school, you know they're running for that fridge. You just know it. I would just be like standing there waiting, holding out the bag. Here you go. Go do whatever it is you kids do until dinner's done, you know. Okay, so we have more fishies. All right. And then, oh, Famous Amos cookies. I like those too. So I'm just like showing you guys. Now this is different. I don't know who these guys are. Who is this? Who is this from? I don't know. Oh, I can't read that. Yellow. Oh, that's the other one. The Pure people. Right here. The Pure Sweetness Baking Company. So they gave us these, and now these are the other ones. These are, what are they? Oh, vanilla wafers. Okay, I like these on my ice cream. Okay, so there's that. And then we have, oh, look, they even put like some sweet. Now, see, this I would definitely keep in my car because of my sugar, you know what I mean? And that would be like pop a couple of these, and I'm good to go. This is Airhead Bites, original fruit, right there. Love me some Airheads, guys. Okay. And then I'm pulling out, let me see. There's a lot of stuff in this box. Rice Krispie Treats. Love them. Love them. I even make these sometimes. But then my arm hurts, so I don't make them again for a long time. Okay, so cheddar cheese crackers. These are good to keep in your purse, too. Well, maybe not in your purse because they get smushed. I have tried that, and they were like nothing but crumbs. So that's not a good idea. Maybe in the car, you know, glove box or whatever. Okay, and then for people that want to be a little more healthy or whatever, there's the Nutri-Grain Blueberry. Oh, Nutri-Grain Blueberry. Yeah. Nutri-Grain Soft Baked Breakfast Bars. Oh, I haven't tried these, so I want to try that. I'm glad that's in here. And then we have 2 of the Chewy Chocolate Chip. I'm trying to read this out. My guys. Granola. Is that granola? What is this? Chocolate chip and chocolate chip, right? So these are 2 of the same. And it's Quaker Chewy bars. They're like the oat bars or whatever. They look like this. I mean, I don't know. I've seen these in like boxes, but again, and then you can buy them in bulk, but then they're like pretty much all the same, or you'll get like 3 different flavors or something. I don't know. I'd rather have a mix and match. That's just how I am, because every day I feel like having something different. And then there's a pack of Planters salted peanuts right there. These are good to keep on hand as well. These are my favorite right here. No, let's don't get it. Oh, here's another one of those Nutri-Grain bars. That's what's up. So I'm gonna. Oh, and this one is in blueberry, and this one is in strawberry. So that's what's up. So there's 2 of these. Each one's a different flavor. Yay! And then we have Mott's Assorted Fruit. Why do I gotta get? That's a bad habit, and I just started doing that since I've been filming, and just recently too. Assorted fruit. You know, like the fruit. What are they called? I want to say fruit chews, I guess. So there's 3 of these, and then you have. These are the Mott's, and then they're all. I don't know what flavor they are. It's assorted flavor, so they're all different. And then this one is, and I have had these. This is the mixed fruit snacks from Welch's. I do like these too. And then these, I just ate a bag of these. Oh my gosh. I just ate a bag of these yesterday. No, as a matter of fact, I finished them today at the counseling. And I bought a bag, and I bought them at Turkey Hill, and I paid $3.27 for them. Now, granted, it was a bigger bag than this, but I'll tell you, it was like half full. It was ridiculous. I was so mad that I bought it. Anyway, these are and these are Juicy Bursts. They're not what I bought. I bought just the little teddy bears, but there you go. And these are really good because they're like all natural. They don't use any artificial colors. I don't like that red dye. It messes with my stomach, the red dye 40. Oh, no. Pains. It brings me pains in my stomach. And then we have, a Sour Punch. What is this? Sour Punch licorice. I couldn't think of the word. Right? Licorice, yeah. But it is a Sour Punch. And what is the flavor? What is that? Watermelon? It looks like watermelon. Embrace your punch, Sour Punch. It doesn't say the flavor, but it's sour. I know that. First couple minutes, anyway, you're like, Okay. Why am I making faces in the camera, guys? What's up? Okay, so then we have 2 orange Airheads, which I love Airheads, okay? One is in orange, and the other one is watermelon. So there you go. So that concludes what's in this box. And she's right. I'll never get this stuff back in there. I'm going to try and smush it back in there for the... I don't want to break anything, but just at least for the picture so I can tell them thank you and stuff. But I think I'm going to keep this subscription, guys, because honestly, I know I spend way more in snacks just for myself, let alone if yes, grandchildren, you heard it right, come, you know, or they're, you know, whatever. Even my kids come. They're like, they're big, but they'd still be like, Mom, what you got in the fridge? So anyway, what'd you cook, Mom? You know, and I'm like, no, take this and go. Let me finish cooking, you know, whatever. But anyway, yeah, so there you have it, guys. That is Variety Fun for the month of February. This box, I believe, is still available. Like I said, I'll link it down below. I do think that this is the box that I saw her unbox for February. She gets her box early, but since I was like on the fence about it, I waited a few days and then ordered it. So it came, I did have this since Monday. So there's that. And I'm sorry I didn't record it, but I had all those other boxes and oh my goodness. But a shout out to SheCrafty for turning me on to this. I'm so thankful that I watched her unbox it because I definitely am going to, I think I'm definitely going to enjoy this subscription, for sure. And then I don't have to worry about it. Like, I don't have to run out to the store and get my snacks. No, I don't have to do that. Like, they're delivered right to me. And it came in an Amazon shipping. Like, how cool is that, right? Anyway, so there's that, guys. So, check out my giveaway that's going on in my BoxyCharm Keep or Cancel video. There's a giveaway attached to that. Also, we are like so close, 75, 25 more, and that giveaway begins. From there, 2 weeks after that, I announce the winner. And I have laid in bed yesterday, well, this morning, because I didn't get done recording until this morning, guys. It was crazy. I'm really having trouble with my equipment. When I start to feel a little better, I'm going to go out and spend the whole day just pricing. And first I have to take back what I have and then go ahead and call my friend and while I'm on the phone with him, go ahead and get the information I need and then find me a good filming like setup. I'm definitely going to do that. I have the money for it. I want to do that before I commit to my car payment, because once I commit to that car payment, you know, I don't know how much money I'm going to have, but I want to get that, and I want to get some lightings, and I think I'm going to get a backdrop. I mean, it's cute, my little beauty room, messy beauty room, but I think I'm done with that. I think I'm going to get something in the back. So comment down below, what, like, do you like these snacks? Have you heard of them before? Is this something you think you could benefit from? I mean, you know, let me know what you think. I mean, I'm always open and always listening to you guys. You know that. I love talking to you. You guys mean the world to me. If you're new here, welcome. If you're just stopping in and checking out the channel, hey, thanks for doing that. I appreciate it. I would love if you would consider subscribing. It would mean the world to me. Make sure your notification bell is on if you are subscribed. And if you decide to subscribe, because, you know, YouTube is doing funny things. And so, yeah, and comment below. Let me know you're here so I can, you know, shout you out, or I could, well, I'll definitely answer you back because that's what I do. And, yeah, so I hope everyone's having a great, blessed day. Even though I'm sick, I'm in a better mood. Like I said, I went to counseling, so I'm good. I went and dumped a whole bunch of stuff, and here I am. So, guys, till I see you again, please spread smiles, because you never know whose day you might make, and it will absolutely, I promise you, make you feel better. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.